Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to talk to customer service of PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. But first, we're going to need to log in. So if you want to talk to customer service of PayPal, we're going to go and be logging into your account. You do not have to log in, but it's going to be helpful if you have an account to talk with them. If you do not have an account, then you're going to go ahead and be able to provide your email info and so on so that you'll be able to get in touch with them. If you just log in, you'll be able to do so normally. But yeah, guys, after logging in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. And in this main page at the top of the screen, we can take a look at the sections tab. Here we have home, send, wallet, and so on. And one of the options is going to be called the help tab. So what you can do, guys, is click on help. By clicking on help, it's going to take you to the PayPal Help Center. Here you can take a look at all the useful links that you can use for getting yourself help and common questions that are being asked. If you cannot find anything that's going to help you guys, you can go ahead and scroll down. By scrolling down, you can see that there is one of the options, guys, that is the message center, where you can go ahead and get started with contacting technical help. So you can go ahead and get started contacting their customer service right here. But as you can see at the bottom of the screen, we have the contact us page. So by clicking contact us, it's going to open up this new menu where you can get started with contacting them. It's going to enable you to contact their chat support, or you even call them depending on however you want to contact them right there from that page, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.